Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you program to check palindromic string in Java. Let's see what is a palindromic string. So after reverse, if original string matches with the reversed string, it is known as palindromic string. So we have example like original string is radar, and after reversing it, it is also radar. So it is a palindromic string. But in the next example, original string is razor, but after reversing it, it becomes rosar. So it is not a palindromic string. So let's write the program for it. So first I will make a string variable string s equal to radar, and after that I will make two variables left and right. So int l equal to 0 and int r equal to s dot length -1, and after that I will make a one more variable int count equal to 0, and after that I will take a while loop, while left less than right. So in this I will write if s dot char at left not equal to s dot char at right. So in this count plus plus, and we will print not a palindromic string, and after that a break statement, and here I will increment the l variable and decrement the r variable. So r minus minus, and outside the loop I will use a if statement if count equal to 0. So in this I will print palindromic string. So let's run this program. So in the output we are getting palindromic string because radar is a palindromic string. But if I enter razor, so razor, and let's run the program. Now we are getting not a palindromic string because razor is not a palindromic string. After reversing, it becomes rosar. Now let's see how this program is working. So in the program I have taken a string as variable equal to radar. So as variable in which we have a string radar like here, and after that I have taken a variable int l equal to 0. After that I have taken a variable int r. So r variable equal to s dot length -1. So in this string we have 5 characters, so it means that its length is 5 and length -1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So in this r variable we have 4. After that I have taken a count variable equal to 0. After that I have taken a while loop, while l less than r. So in this program I have taken two pointers, left and right. The left pointer is pointing toward the left character in the string, and right pointer is pointing toward the right character in the string. So it means that l is here at 0 index in the string. So I am writing here 0 1 2 3 and 4. In the string indexes start from 0, so it is starting from 0. So at 0 we have r, and at 4 index we also have r. So in the palindromic strings, left and right hand side characters are equal, and if we increase one from here and decrease one from here, so it means that next left character and the next right character is also equal, like here. So we are following this approach here. So while l is less than r, so l is 0 and r is 4, so l is less than 4, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. And now here we are checking if s dot char at l So L is 0, so it means that character R and not equal to s dot caret R. So R is 4 and here character is also R. So but here both characters are equal, R equal to R. So our condition is false and this statement from here will not execute, and after that L plus plus, so L will become 1 and R minus minus, so R will become 3. So I have not taken R plus plus here because our string length is only up to index 4. If I write R plus plus, so it will become 5 and we will get error. So we have to move backward in the right direction and forward in the left direction from here. After that it will again check that L is less than R. So L is 1 and R is 3. So our condition is true and we again get inside the loop, and here it will again check that s dot caret L. So it means at index 1 character is A and s dot caret R. So at 3 index character is also A. So A is equal to A. So this condition is still false because characters on the both left and right hand side are equal. So this statement will not execute, and this statement will only execute if both left and right hand side characters are not equal. And after that L plus plus and R minus minus. So now L will become 2 and R will also become 2, and here it will check that L is less than R. So L is not less than R, it is equal to R. So our condition is false and the loop will not execute anymore and the loop will break. After that it will check here that if count equal to 0, so yes, count is still 0, and so our condition is true and it will print palindromic string. So in the output we will get palindromic string. And if I take example of the razor string, so in this razor string you can check that at some index the left and right hand side character will become unequal, and that time this if statement will execute and it will increment the count variable. So at that time count variable will become 1, and after that it will print not a palindromic string. So in the output we will get not a palindromic string, and after that it will break this while loop because we don't require it anymore. And after that it will also check that if count equal to 0, so now count has become 1, so it means that our condition is false and it will not print palindromic string. So in the output we will only get not a palindromic string. So this is how we can write a program to check palindromic string in Java. Thank you.